Welcome back. Want to control what kind of content you see on Twitter? Here's how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter, X. In just a few taps, let's get started. How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter, X. Follow these steps. Open the Twitter X app on your mobile. Tap your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Settings and Support, then tap Settings and Privacy. Go to Privacy and Safety, then tap Content You See. Tap on Search Settings. Now toggle on the option Hide Sensitive Content. And that's it. You've now turned off sensitive content on Twitter. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next one.